Good morning, everyone. Today is a new adventure in Brazil. I'm on my way to Iguazu waterfall. Yesterday night, I took a flight from Rio de Janeiro. Took like 2 hours. I'm going to take a kind of transportation to the waterfall for the Brazilian side. The city is very small, look cute town, but no, not much time. I just need to see waterfall quickly. Not quickly, but spend like 4 or 5 hours and then go Argentinian side. Weather is crazy here. Maybe this time of the year. Behind me there's sun and this side there's dark clouds and that side as well. I don't know what can happen. It's hard to make any planning here. Place where I was staying, they told me go to the front of the Chinese restaurant. There's a bus going to direct you to the national park of the Iguazu. Bus number 120. It was just like 5 minute walking distance from the hostel. I just walk around checking out the city. Like a very small town, not much going on here. I guess kind of a point where you can see Iguazu waterfall only. But yeah, some people come and spend more time. For me, I don't know. I will just see one side of the waterfall, Brazilian side, and then fly to Argentina. Alright, I just arrived to entrance of the national park here, Iguazu National Park. You can see there's some crowd, but not like crazy. And I think it's open at 9 a.m. You have to book ticket online or you can just buy here as well. I think depending on the season, it can be so busy, but already so many people here. Look like there's some transportation you have to book for. I book at 9:10. That's the first one. So many people. The entrance of the national park, we took a bus, short ride around 10 minutes in the national park, and they drive us to start point of the trail. I heard in the bus there was some information says like a 2.6 kilometer trail, so you can make a circle in the national park and have the view of the waterfall. Wow, impressive view now. Let's go to the closer. Impressive view. Damn. Oh, I love it. Look at this. The view is incredible from here. When you just enter the this beginning of the trail, water is incredible, so strong. Right, let's continue this trail, and now we're going uphill a little bit and we will have the closer view of the waterfall. When you start the trail, at the beginning you have the whole panoramic view of the waterfall. It's really incredible. So now I'm continuing this trail. Probably like we will get a little bit closer to the water and other side of the waterfall, I think. It looks really impressive. I was thinking maybe it's not worth to come all the way just for waterfall, but to be honest, I like it. It's like a peaceful morning walk. The view is getting better and better and better when you get closer. Cannot stop to recording my camera. Look at this. Look at this massive area. I think you can go till there, but I'm not sure. I will get so wet there. Fully wet. Crazy. Now I'm so close to the water. Here will be so much water. I think it will get so wet. Whew. The incredible place. I decided to take off my shirt and go to the closer to waterfall. I got fully wet. I took like a shower. Wow, but it was incredible. Really, fresh water is coming to your face. It's amazing. Really great experience. But now I'm so wet. My shirt, everything. Thanks God I take off my shirt. Dry, my dress is wet. Gonna be wet day, the rest of the day. Wow, this Iguazu waterfall, it is definitely a must place to visit for nature lovers. It's an incredible place, but it's quite touristy. So many tourists all around the world. They make a huge crowd. Everybody try to take photo, video, which is understandable. But yeah, the waterfall itself is fantastic. But if you don't like the crowd and the tourists who is rushing around for photos, you know, maybe this can bother you. This can ruin the experience. But overall, it's like fantastic. I had a really great time. We can also go so close to the waterfall and we can get a little bit refreshment. That's what I did. I took off my shirt and I went closer to water. I almost take shower. It was really nice. I didn't have a rain jacket, so that's why I decided to remove it. They mentioned earlier, you arrived at the beginning of the national park. There's a bus, big buses. They transfer people beginning of the trail, and the trail is like short, not really long. It's like a 2 kilometer, I think, 2.5. You just walk around the bank of the river, and then you come closer to the waterfall. You see different angles of the waterfall. Overall, I think 2 hours will be sufficient for Brazilian side. I don't know about Argentinian side. Is like a bigger. That's what I heard. Is like a longer. You might need maybe more time, but I think in one day you can do both sides as well. I'm not really into. For me, was the Brazilian side was quite sufficient, so I don't need to do more, in my opinion. Of course, I have a less time. That's why I try to use my time more efficiently. If you have a time, you can check it out. When you arrive to the national park, you can also spend time around, walk around a little bit. If you have more time, they have some restaurant as well. You can have a lunch here. Those are the options. I hope I enjoy so much to visit Iguazu waterfall. I hope also you enjoy. If you enjoy it, please hit that like button. It will be helpful for me. And if you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you so much again for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.